Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word guzzle in depth. First, the definition. Guzzle means to drink or consume something rapidly and greedily, especially liquids. Think of it simply as drinking quickly and messily, like a thirsty animal. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Guzzle traces back to the 16th century as an imitation of the sound of heavy drinking. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to describe fast, eager consumption of drinks and food. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use guzzle in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. After the race, she guzzled water to rehydrate quickly. Correct example 2. The kids guzzled soda at the party before the cake was even cut. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to guzzle my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference. Using guzzle correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Guzzle means to drink or consume something rapidly and greedily, especially liquids. It comes from an imitation of the sound of heavy drinking in the 1500s, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with guzzle down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.